Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to give you a full comparison of what your BMW G87 M2 is going to sound like with the active Autowerke exhaust system. Alright, so let's walk through this setup, because whenever I do a DIY on exhaust, I always get the question of what's it sound like, and that really does deserve its own video so you have a basis of comparison, right? So just one piece alone at the end of one of my DIYs wouldn't give you the comparison of what it sounds like with all these different pieces in place. Now, I want to walk you through both the complete OEM setup, what does my new M2 sound like with the stock midpipe and stock back box. You can then compare with the new active Autowerke equal length midpipe and the OEM back box, and you can get a sense of the change between the two, because there definitely is. And then lastly, I've just added the new active Autowerke axle back, so you're going to have the EL midpipe and the axle back. So the OEM back box will be out with the new active valved axle back. So you can go through the video, you can compare all three and hear what it sounds like. All right, let's get started with OEM. Alright, so as you can tell with those three comparisons, it can make a dramatic difference in your car. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. I'm limited by the microphone on my camera, right? So it may sound a little bit different to your ear. You might hear a little bit of different notes. So, you know, the environment and my camera and the microphone, I mean, there's a bunch of different variables here on how it sounds. But this does give you a good idea of what these changes are going to make. Now, I'm really excited to have these active products in my car. I love their EL midpipe, and this new axle back is really good. So I'm excited to have the full system. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I love having active products in my car. Make sure to check them out for what you would like to do for your car as well. While you're there, please click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I would really sincerely appreciate it. Plus, you get notifications that way. New events, new reviews, new DIYs, all the content that's going to be coming out. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you on my next project.